Welcome to MarineMax Pensacola. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of this 2019 Grady-White 370 Express. This boat is powered by triple Yamaha 425s. Does have joystick, helmmaster, and set point. As we enter into the cockpit, you will see plenty of seating with the fold down transom seat. We have another one on the starboard side that folds up. Here in the back, you'll have a huge lighted fish box, and it is refrigerated. Insert that comes out. Over here, you'll have a spot to put your bait, and easily accessible to your batteries. As we go through the boat, this does have the dive door here on the port side. This is a seat with a flip down step. Plenty of storage here in the back. Tackle. These just slide out. Over here you can put knives, pliers, and lures. Here you have another big live well here in the cockpit. Have a freshwater sink with wash down. As we enter under here, you'll see plenty of coverage with the hardtop. Rod storage available. Also a sure shade that goes out the back to cover the cockpit. As we come up, here is your helmmaster joystick control with set point. Trim tabs with indicators. Bow thruster. Fusion remote. And this is an electronics box that will go up and down, and your Yamaha gauge straight forward. This is all air conditioned controlled under here as well. As we enter, you'll see the cabin air conditioner, the helm air conditioner, and here is your cockpit cooler in the back. This concludes the walkthrough of the 2019 Grady-White 370 Express. Come see us at MarineMax Pensacola.